Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, anyways, on the monthly time frame, we definitely do have a couple options. I mean, this could be an A, this could be a B, and we're going down for a wave C before we really do end up going back up. But I'm still not 100% sure about that. I still think there's a good chance that this move down is just a bear trap and that it may end up going up and making that expanding or running flat like I've been forecasting. So going down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, definitely looks like, impulsive down and uptrend, correction, uptrend with a break of structure. So it definitely does have that ABC look. And if that is the case, then it probably will end up making 5 waves down like that. Probably even taking out these previous lows before it does end up continuing back up. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have that nice 5 waves up. We have that nice break of structure. So I think there's a very good likelihood this move down is either a wave A or a wave 1. If this wave B analysis I showed on the weekly is true, then it is a wave 1. The next move eventually should be a correction to the move down, which would be a wave B or a wave 2. Like I just said, it should be a 1-2 if it really is the end of a wave B on the weekly monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely still looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. The market, especially on the euro dollar, has been pretty painfully slow this week, but really there was a pretty good entry to go short this week, and if you held through on all the slow market, then you definitely would have made some pretty nice profit. For me, the last structure level is still right here. That's still going to tell me that the wave A or 1 is complete. A break of that structure. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, I mean I think this right here is the wave 4. So a break of the wave 4 will tell us that the whole trend is over. This does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't even have a break of the wave 4 of wave 5 yet. So if this does make a little 1, 2, 3 pattern up, if it does make it a lower high, if it makes it a golfing move down, even though the market does seem like it should go up and break the high of wave 4, ending this wave A or 1 on the higher time frames, it definitely does not have to do that. It could continue to make lower lows, lower highs. The trend is your friend. Continue to look for continuation patterns until the market tells you otherwise. Preferably for me, a break of structure of this level right here, because a break of this level doesn't tell us that the whole daily trend is over. A break of this level right here only tells us that these last 5 waves on the 1 hour time frame is over, which means it could end up turning into just a correction to these 5 waves and continuing back down later on. So I'm personally definitely looking for nothing but shorts until we get a break of this wave 4 structure, preferably a nice break and hold above structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.